Welcome to the part 1 of my Scandinavian minimal apartment makeover. It's a 3-room apartment and we had a very tiny budget to do this full makeover and we needed a full team to do it in 1 week. While Philip was putting down the parquet, such an awesome job, I just spent my time doing TikToks in the other room. Okay, no, seriously. I was doing the paneling of this full wall and then spent so much time unboxing everything and checking that every single item arrived and was not damaged. One of my favorite pieces is absolutely this mirror. It's going to have its moment at the entrance of the apartment and I can't wait to hang it up. But unfortunately, I found out that a lot of pieces were not in the apartment yet. They still had to deliver them, so I decided to not waste any time and build every single piece of furniture that we already had inside. Luckily, everything else was going just like up to plan and the paneling on the wall was almost done. And in the meantime, yes, the dining table arrived. And I was so excited about it that I totally had to start building the structure that is going to change this apartment. The client asked me to design something that could be a secret office space, and this is what I did in the dining area, opening the closet up to a desk. So I had to build this structure, and we did not have the budget for $20,000 that the carpenter asked, so I'm gonna do an IKEA hack. Come tomorrow to see the results.